Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sebelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. You have the opportunity to offer your opinion on proposed changes to drone regulations, but you have to do it before April 15, so please keep watching this video. The FAA is accepting comments regarding proposed changes to their regulations regarding drone operations, and incredibly, these look like opportunities to actually lessen the restrictions we currently have. When has the government ever done that before? Specifically, the proposed changes affect limitations on flying over people in some circumstances, night flying with drones, and renewal of Part 107 certifications every 2 years. Right now, you need a waiver to perform operations over people. The FAA is proposing a change to this policy, allowing flights over people in some situations without a waiver. A partial list of these situations are shown on screen, and you can see it's comprehensive. I love this idea, particularly because it makes operating a drone legal in so many legitimate situations. The current rule makes it almost impossible to operate legally in a suburban or urban area, so the new policy would liberate law-abiding drone pilots to fly in many circumstances where, frankly, pilots who ignore the rules are doing it now. The second proposed change involves the requirements for recurring testing to maintain the Part 107 license. Currently, you must pass a test with the FAA to receive your Part 107 certification and then pass a shortened test every 2 years to maintain it. The proposed change is to the recurring portion of this policy. The new approach would be for holders of Part 107 certificates to take an online training course every 2 years so they are specifically trained on rule changes, shifting priorities, and other FAA-identified needs that have come up since they tested for their initial certification. Again, this is a terrific idea. The FAA could use this opportunity to make sure commercial pilots have the specific training on rule changes or whatever information is needed, as opposed to simply rehashing the original test every 2 years. Required currency training makes a lot more sense. Finally, the proposed changes include allowing night operations. FAA says, the proposed rule would allow nighttime operations if the remote pilot conducting the operation has completed updated training or an updated version of the initial knowledge test, and the small, unmanned aircraft has an illuminated anti-collision light that is visible for more than 3 statute miles. Okay, I'm not as sold on this change as I am with the others, but I know it would be very popular with many pilots. Look, there's a lot more involved with these proposed changes than what I'm covering here, so here's exactly what I want you to do right now. After watching this video, you need to follow the link in the description below to read the summary of the proposed changes from FAA so you know exactly what is being suggested. Follow the link in the description below to go to the page on the regulations.gov website for these proposed changes. Press the comment button and make your comments. Be respectful, speak intelligently, and let your feelings be known. I don't care if you agree with me or disagree. This is your chance to express your thoughts to the FAA, so do it right away as the period for open comments closes on April 15. Finally, help me spread the word about this opportunity. Share this video on Twitter, Facebook, discussion forums, meetup groups, wherever you can let other drone pilots know about this opportunity. We drone pilots complain all the time about the restrictions and requirements from the FAA, so it is our responsibility to speak up when we can help shape what those restrictions and requirements are. Please, do not let this wait. Speak up before April 15 and let the FAA know what you think. Again, the links are in the description below. Please follow them and get this done this weekend. Thanks for watching.